organza blouses or lehengas with Georgette outfit was
Brought केलं हा त्यांना साऊंड सांगता सेट पॅन्ट
थाऊ बॉन कर blouses नाही टाइम ती अचानक काही हसली लोक पागल हवे स्टार्ट करे होते. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Parul and in this channel I post content revolving around fashion and poetry. As promised, I am back with the second part of my own jewelry collection video, and today I'll be showing some more earrings, necklaces and accessories. The first piece of earring that I have are these silver oxidized jhumkas with big black stone and a leafy structure with leaf shaped hangings towards the edge. Now wearing these makes me feel like a tarot reader who is about to read your fortune. I don't know why does it happen, but whenever I wear this, it dissipates the vibe of a tarot reader. I can imagine myself wearing these along with a black colored kaftan dress and big boho bangles, holding cards in my hands, ready to read your fortune. That's the vibe of this particular earrings, and I like them wearing on casual occasions, like whenever I'm out for shopping with my mom or I'm out for movies and I'm wearing something ethnic. That's when I would wear them. The next are these tiny dainty jhumkas with kundan and pearl. They have red and green. So these I think can be paired very well with organza blouses if you have lehengas with organza blouses or organza sleeves. Next up I have these again pretty small golden jhumkas. Now these are studded jhumkas and not dangles. So I like them with black or white color dresses particularly, no matter the red color in them. But I guess they can pretty much go with every other color as well. I am particularly visualizing them with black and white clothes. I don't know why is that so, but then I like them that way. Next I have something for evening parties. These black geometric earrings. Now if you have a closer look, you would see that there are these leaves or geometric pattern going throughout. They give it a holographic effect. I don't know if it is visible through the camera, but yeah. So I wear them with black dresses, I wear them with white and black checked pattern or gingham printed maxi dresses as such. Then the next are some very heavy sets which I don't really like wearing, but I have worn them quite a few times at different events like marriages or engagements. First is the set which has these pretty white and blue diamond studded earrings with blue pearls. Now those who have watched the first Flipkart footwear haul video, they know that I have a thing for whites, and the next second favorite color after white is blue. So the combination of white and blue is my personal favorite, and that is why I really like them. Now these two earrings actually came with this mang tika, which is again in the same pattern. I think I'll be wearing the mang tika without wearing these earrings. I can have some other pair of earrings, but I can really pair this mang tika with some outfit. The earrings and the mang tika came with a necklace, this necklace, and this one does not have a very regular pattern. It has an irregular pattern which is quite quirky. Next, in a similar trend, I have these earrings with yellow and red stones and white pearls. This is a bit shorter than the previous earring, so I would wear them more often as compared to the previous ones. Again, this came with a choker. The other one came with a necklace and this one came with a pretty choker. Lastly, I do have a couple of studs. One is this silver colored with white stones in a leaf. The other one is even tinier, and that's why my favorite. Now these are pretty tiny studs that can go with anything and everything, and that's why I like them. I wear them very often whenever I don't have to look like I have put in efforts in dressing myself up or looking like a glam diva. Next thing that I have is this bracelet with pink and white stones. A very casual, dainty patterned bracelet. So that would be it about today's video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications every time I come up with something new related to fashion or poetry. And make sure to check out the next part of this video, which would have all my Odissi dance and Mahari dance jewelry collection. So stay tuned for the next part. Bye!